Okay, good morning, guys. So, what I'm going to do now is explaining to you what uh, creative tourism is on about. So, if you have the book with you, this is from page number 17. Okay, English for tourism. Actually, creative tourism is a new, what we call generation of tourism. Is an we have new normal actually. Maybe it's something that coming out in order to enable us to do more things when it comes to tourism. Uh, Creative tourism offers visitors the opportunity to develop their creative potential through active participation in courses. Maybe a community will open a training course on like uh, herbal medicines, Thai massage, or some cooking lessons, and providing visitors with learning experiences. You are actually turning a tourist attraction and get the community members to come and organize and benefit. Everybody will benefit from the kind of creative tourism. Uh, it's a combination of many concepts, really, because creative tourism involves the concepts of charity, like you're helping people, volunteerism. A tourist can function as a volunteer, helping to develop a certain community. Is a concept of sustainable development. Is also green tourism, the tourism which is friendly to local culture, the environment, and friendly to the traditional way of life, and also, of course, economic development. So, to make a travel, to go on a tour, go on a holiday, is not just to consume, okay, but to create and build something. Okay, so this is the very core concept of creative tourism. Uh, Another way of looking at creative tourism is taking the view that it's a new way of discovering a foreign culture. So like you go to a place in Cambodia, like the Seuss Island, and you don't have to go and just look around. You can actually get involved and stay there for a couple of days and learn how to do some weaving, learn about the silks, how to uh, create a cloth, build you know something to wear over there. So tourists no longer want just to go sightseeing. They need to feel involved into the destination's daily life, and to what we call create what we call signature experiences with the local. There are examples in Thailand, in Pathalung. So I would like you to have a look at this, okay? And also in many other places. So this is the summary. Creative tourism is emerging as a large and growing niche. It's a new niche market. My personal opinion is that creative tourism is not a fad. It's gonna be with us for a long time. Uh, so so tourisms nowadays are more sophisticated than before, and are now seeking the type of tourism that grants them access to local culture. uh, is a way to learn, to to do some charity to help people. You develop yourself by helping people. To go on a tour is to develop yourself and develop the community you are visiting. So it's a what we call win-win tourism approach, if you ask me. So thank you very much. And these are the questions, by the way.